Welcome to this recap video of episode 5 of this pack opening series. Last episode, we opened 4 packs of 1993 Upper Deck Baseball Series 2 and some 2018 Score. Alright, so first we'll look at some of the 1993 Upper Deck cards we pulled from Series 2. To start out, we pulled a Four Corners Padres card featuring Gary Sheffield, Phil Plantier, Tony Gwynn, and Fred McGriff. We also pulled a Shooting Stars Astros card with Doug Drabeck, Craig Biggio, and Jeff Bagwell. We pulled a Dave Winfield card. It's pretty cool. Excuse me. We pulled a Mets card with Eddie Murray, Howard Johnson, and Bobby Bonilla. We pulled a nice Edgar Martinez card, one of the greatest Mariners of all time. Definitely going to be a Hall of Famer next year. Kirby Puckett, great player. Alright, also some cool checklists. Darryl Strawberry, Dodgers checklist. It's got cool art on these checklists. Sammy Sosa checklist. Jeff Bagwell, Astros checklist. And a Oakland A's Eckersley checklist. So that's cool. Now we'll look at some of the highlights we pulled from 2018 Panini Score 2018. Philip Rivers, Cam Chancellor, personally one of my favorites. Nikhil Mack, Drew Brees Captain's card, Dak Prescott, Saquon Barkley, Carson Wentz Color Rush, J.J. Watt Captain's card, Tyler Lockett, Kareem Hunt Scorecard, Fantasy Stars Kareem Hunt, 40.6 fantasy points against the Patriots in Week 1, and this card was pretty sweet. Saquon Barkley rookie card, and I really think this guy is going to be the next Adrian Peterson. He's amazing. So that wraps up our video. As always, please remember to hit the like and subscribe buttons, and look forward to upcoming videos.